Yes. Students, in previous lecture we have talked about the potential electrostatic energy or potential energy of 2 charge, 3 charge. Now here we are going to discuss a potential energy of a dipole which is kept in an uniform electric field. Now we have taken this dipole which is having a length, means this plus q and minus q charge is separated by distance 2a, and there is a force. If it is kept in an electric field, definitely it is going to experience a force. Now if we go through this force which is acting in this direction, in the direction of the electric field, and this force minus QE which is acting in the direction opposite to the electric field. So they are developing a torque, and that torque we have calculated it. Torque is equals to force into perpendicular distance. So here force, that is we have taken it QE, and the distance, this is 2, and it is making an angle theta. Theta is the angle with the this is the direction of momentum also. This will be the direction of momentum. We can say this is the direction of momentum. So momentum is a dipole moment which is making an angle theta with the electric field. So here what we have got this 2a sine theta. So we can have 2aq e sine theta, and finally we can say it is Pe sine theta. This is the tau which we have got, and in terms of this P cross E, this is the torque which we have got when we have kept this. Now if there is a torque which is force into perpendicular distance, and if we want to move this dipole, we need to do some work. Dipole, if we want to make it to move, so there will be some work done by the dipole. And if we take it for a small distance, if it is moved by a very small distance angle, that is theta, angle d theta, a small angle. So the work done will be given by force, that is tau, multiplied by d theta. Tau multiplied with d theta. Now here we have this relationship Pe sine theta. We can substitute this here, d theta dw. This is the small work done. Okay. Now if we want to know the total work done, if it is moved for an angle, say if we are taking an orientation theta, initial position of the dipole, initial position of the dipole, and after some time we are getting a final position. Of the dipole. If we go through this total work done, that is dw, here we are having this theta 1, theta I to theta f, Pe sine theta into d theta. Okay. So final expression which we are going to have here, it is the total work done will be Pe sine theta. Pe will be like this. Sine theta will give the minus cos theta. Here we are getting this relation theta I to theta f. Or we can say Pe is equal to minus cos of theta f minus plus cos theta I. And finally we can write it like this: Pe cos theta I minus cos theta f. And this is the work done, and this will give the energy, potential energy of a dipole. Potential energy of a dipole. Okay. This is the relationship which we are getting here for the potential energy of a dipole if it is kept in a uniform electric field. Okay. Now if we are assuming theta I is going to be a some angle, say 90 degree, means initially it is at making an angle theta 90 degree, and final angle that we can say theta f is equal to any angle, say theta, then what relation we are going to have here? It is U is equals to PE cos 90 minus cos theta. So here what we are going to have minus PE cos theta, because cos 90 is going to be 0. So the potential energy which we are getting in terms of this PE cos theta, this will give the potential energy of a dipole when it is kept in a uniform electric field. Okay, so what we have got here, U is equals to minus PE cos theta. Okay, so here what we are getting, U is equals to minus PE into cos theta, or we can write it in other word, this. Okay, now here we have got the potential energy in terms of minus PE cos theta. Now if suppose if we are having a theta equal to 0, theta equals to 0, what does it mean? ये क्या मीनिंग करता है कि डाइपोल मोमेंट और इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड बोथ आर इन द सेम डायरेक्शन. This dipole will be like this, means dipole moment and electric field both are in the same direction. And what relation we are going to have? Minus PE cos 0, which is going to be total energy U. What we are getting, minus PE cos 0 is 1. Okay. So here we are getting the minimum potential energy. Okay, this point, then we can take another point, that is theta. If we take theta is equal to 90 degree, what is going to happen, that we will see. Now theta is equal to 90 degree है, so इसका क्या meaning हो गया? U which we are getting here minus P cos 90, that is going to be 0. So what we are getting here, it is 0 potential energy. Third case, that we are having theta is equal to 180 degree, U is going to be minus P cos 180, and we know the value of cos 180, that is minus 1. We are going to have PE. Okay. So here we are getting theta equals to 0 minus P. We are getting theta is equal to 90 degree 0 and theta is equal to 180 degree P. Now we will discuss on this. Now see here what we are getting the minimum, here we are getting the maximum. This is this case of unstable and this is your 0. Okay, so here what we are getting, how we are getting minimum, because of they are kept like this 0, both are in the same direction, we are getting the minimum potential energy. Theta is equal to 180 degree, dipole is like this, dipole moment is in this direction and the electric field is in this direction, both are making an angle of 180 degree. So here we are getting the maximum value. But if we see here theta is equal to 90 degree, it is kept like this. So we can understood it like this. If we are keeping it like this, in electric field means perpendicular to 90 degree, and we are bringing this, one charge is positive and another charge is negative. So if we are assuming that if we are bringing it from infinity, so positive charge, the work done for positive charge as well as the work done for the negative charge, both will get cancelled to each other. If it is like this, we are bringing some charge, we are bringing this, both the dipole, if we are bringing it from infinity, the net work done for bringing a positive charge and for bringing a negative charge is going to be equal to 0. That's why the potential energy is going to be 0. And here what we are getting, theta is equals to 180 degree, the potential energy is going to be maximum. Okay, here what we are getting, theta is equal to P, which is maximum. So this minimum is giving you the position of unstable, and this is giving you the position of unstable equilibrium, and this is giving you the position of stable equilibrium. Now see here, this is the position of stable equilibrium, both are in this direction, dipole moment and this, they are making an angle of this, and it is the position of unstable equilibrium, because this dipole is like this, means positive charge here and negative charge here in case of 180 degree in this case, and here in this case positive charge is like this, negative charge is like this. So this is the position of stable equilibrium and this is the position of unstable equilibrium, and here what we are getting the maximum potential energy. Here we are getting the, okay. So we are concluding our lecture over here by determining this potential energy of a dipole in an electric field, and we have discussed the position of dipole. Theta equals to 0, theta is equals to 90, and theta is equals to 180. Okay.